Hi, I'm Cody with Engine Tech, here to talk to you about engine kits. You'll notice that our engine kits are come in either economy or premium. The economy kits have cast piston rings, where the premium will have stainless steel, chrome, or molybdenum. Then there's three levels of our engine kits that we have. We have re-ring kits, also known as re-main. We have rebuild, also known as recon, and then master kits. So first is our re-ring kits. What that's going to have is your full set of gaskets, the upper and lower set. It'll have piston rings and then rod and main bearings. Now the main bearings will have the thrust washers, but sometimes those do come in a separate box, so keep an eye out for those. They are included. After you go from your re-ring kit, we move up to a rebuild or recon kit. So it's going to be all the same components that we already mentioned, plus you're also going to have the pistons, a timing set, oil pump, and freeze plugs. So then the last set is going to be our master kit. So you take everything that we just mentioned in a rebuild kit and add your cam and lifters. So if it's 2 cams in the engine, we'll have 2 cams, but also all of the lifters that you need for your engine, and that's going to be your master kit. So visit our website at www.enginetechcatalog.com to see what kits we have available for your engine.